So hello everybody, welcome again to another video. In this video I am gonna show you how to draw Kaguya shinomia from Love is War. And if you don't know, this how to draw video is a bit different from the usual how to draw video you can watch in YouTube, because they show you how to draw a certain face using just grid or box technique, but I am here going to show you how to draw shinomia from any perspective you want. The main point I'm saying that you can do experiments with that. So in this video I'm gonna show you the distance between two eyes, distance between nose to mouth, etc, etc. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.